Hello everyone and welcome back to another jailbreak video. Today is a really new day because June 29 planes are here. The new Sorry, better not kill me. Alright, without any more interruptions. The new fighter jet, the new stunt plane, and experience rings in the sky. This is gonna be awesome. Stop killing me. Okay, so I'm just gonna do Alright. So I don't know exactly where the airplanes are, but my guess is it's somewhere around the airport. Yeah. So I'm just gonna go over there to the airport. Guys, oh look, here are the rings. Guys, if you have Robux, do Fortnite. No, please don't. Okay, so this is gonna be fun. Like, I'm not sure how much it costs, but I hope it's like not expensive, like $1 million or $2 million. Cause then after that, I'm gonna have to grind for a very long time. That's gonna suck. Oh look, here's a stunt plane. Hello, stunt plane. Oh wow, it costs 200K? That's so cheap. I just hope I can fly it on mobile, cause really hope so. Asimo, if you didn't make this for mobile, please fix it, cause you just scammed me for my money. Oh. Okay, throttle up. Okay, now I'm flying. What do I do? Okay. Oh, whoa. This is actually pretty easy. Alright, Asimo, this is some easy controls here. Some easy controls. I mean, it's not too bad. It's not that bad. I mean, it's easy. Thanks, Asimo. You made this for mobile. That sounds great, doesn't it? Yeah. Alright, now where are these rings? I'm going up so high. Whee! Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and see what happens if I crash into a building. It's gonna be 9/11 again. 9/11! Oh, nothing happens. Well, never mind. So let's go through these rings. Hold on, I'm gonna try and find out. I'm just getting used to this, okay? It's not easy, okay? It's a bit hard. It's easy though. It's not like any flight simulators. This is hard. Hey, did I do that? Okay. I have tried some airplane games on Roblox that have controls like the I experienced 15 XP. Wait, what? Oh, wait. So if you go through these rings, you get experience? Oh shoot, was that the fighter jet or was that the Oh, it's an airdrop. Just gonna jump out. Where's that airdrop? Come here. Airdrop. Airdrop must be mine. Oh shoot, I went past it. Mine. Mine. Yes. Forgot to do this. Okay. The reason why I take my sound off is because lots of people play music and I don't want it to be copyrighted, so throttle up. wonder if you can customize your airplane. I'm gonna go to the garage and customize it. No, the jailbreak doesn't. Ah! What's going on? Hold on. I'm gonna try and see. I'm gonna try and do a soft landing here. This is a great update. Airplanes. Alright, here comes the airport. I'm not a professional pilot, okay? Ah! We landed. But we didn't land it safely. Ah! Oh no! Let's just jump out. That is very dangerous. Now, where's the fighter jet? I love this airplane. I'm doing barrel rolls and stuff like that. Stunt planes do. Whatever stunt planes do. Alright. So, whee! I'm trying to go through these hoops, but I can't because my airplane doesn't want to I don't know what's the word, but I'll just say it doesn't want to go through. Or it doesn't want to turn. Look at this. Come on. Okay. Here we go. Some rings. Ding! Oh no, I'm losing control. No. Alright, so I think the military plane is right here. Yep, it is. Wow. Look at this beauty, and really? It cost $1 million. 1 million cash. 1 million. 1 million. 1 million. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to grind again. Gonna have to grind for 1 million again. That's gonna take months. But still, this is a good starter plane. Like, who needs a fighter jet right now? Because only the rich people who have like probably like 2 million or 3 million already bought that. Like, but this is a good start. This is a good plane to start off with. Jailbreak. I mean, it's easy. I just hope the fighter jet isn't hard though. I would just get some money, but I don't have Robux, sadly. Someday I will. I want to find out how you can customize your airplane though. Just gonna go past here and oh! I did it! I did it! I have my tiger texture. If you can try it, like if you can just do it, if you time it perfectly, or if you can just aim correctly, you can get your airplane customized. Oh, look at the trains here. Just gonna quickly get some delivery success. Some sort of gas station robbery. Okay, no more. Okay, so I'm already starting off at 100K. And yeah, and since the fighter jet costs like 1 million, whoa, what is that? Fireworks? Oh no, it's the gunshots that like do this and stuff. You know. Okay, and since that airplane costs 1 million and I don't have 1 million, I guess I'm gonna have to grind all over again. This is magnificent. I'm playing Jailbreak. Okay. Yep. You just did. Alright, so this isn't too hard. I said that multiple times, I know. I'll get used to this in the future. Cause right now I'm kind of a noob on going through these rings. Just gonna quickly stop by the donut shop. There's just one commercial about alright, as I was saying, there's just one commercial, I think it was IHOP, it was an IHOP commercial, where this person was hungry, and so the pilots just stopped by IHOP to just get some food. Or maybe it's because they had a new sale. Not so sure. But it was about pancakes, that's for sure. IHOP. Alright. Well, I guess this is the end of the video right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. And click that notification bell until it falls off and breaks apart. Alright, I'll see you guys in later. See you guys later. Alright. Peace out.